Doing some important stuff.
Important stuff.
Yeah, everybody's outside. You want something to drink?
Sure.
Yeah, where's that?
I'm assuming it's the refrigerator. It is.
What are those things? What are they? What is it? What is it? Really? What are you and Lily playing with? Oh, you just throw it. Yeah? You gotta get it now? Uh-huh.
Probably take out the should throw the mail. Is that a piece of a letter for you?
No, it's for Grandma.
It's for Grandma. Yeah. It's important.
All right. Okay.
Mila, what you doing?
I threw this down.
You threw what down?
The mail.
The mail.
She went and picked it up.
Hey,
Because it looks like it's
hey. Back on the couch. Hey, you need to hold somebody's hand if you're
All
gonna be
right.
up there.
Let's go downstairs.